Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Friends, the COVID-19 has worldwide impact on the business, trade, commerce, and more importantly the human lives. Most countries in the world are affected by this pandemic, and India is no exception to it. However, proactive steps and quick decisions in India is helping the country to successfully fight against this pandemic. While the trade and businesses are battling against the difficulties of COVID-19, one such step taken by the government to provide relief measures under the GST law was much the need of the hour. Today, I, Nirav Sheth, would take you through these relief measures announced by the government under the GST law. Do watch the video till the end, since later during the video we are going to discuss the relief provided under GST tax payment and input tax credit that can be claimed from this GST. So the relief measures announced by the CBSE was White Circular number 136/06/2020, which was dated on 3rd of April. And accordingly, we are going to discuss today the due date due date to opt for the composition scheme, due date for return filings for composite dealers, due dates for return filings and tax payments for regular taxpayers, interest liability and how to calculate it, the due date for return filings of NRTP, ISD, TDS and TCS taxpayers, 10% cap on ITC under Rule 36 and due date for annual returns. Friends, to cover all these above points, the video is made in two parts. So do watch both the parts. The first and foremost, due date to opt for composition scheme. Friends, under the GST law, government has given an option to the taxpayer to avail the composition scheme based on their turnover limit. This option for a particular year has to be availed before the beginning of the year, meaning thereby for the financial year 2020-21, this option was to be availed by 31st of March 2020. So those taxpayers who wanted to opt for the composition tax scheme, they have to opt it in March 2020 for the financial year 2020-21. However, due to COVID, this due date of March 2020 is now extended till 30th of June 2020. So the due date for intimation to opt for composition scheme under CMP 02 is extended from 31st March to 30th of June. Next, the due date for return filings and tax payment for composite dealers. Now, the composite dealers, as you know, were filing the returns and tax payment on quarterly basis. So the GST CMP 08 for payment of tax, for which the original due date was 18th of April for the quarter of January to March 2020, is now extended to the 7th of July. So for the quarter ended January to March 2020, they are supposed to pay their tax payment on or before 7th of July. And GSTF4 return filing, which was also quarterly for the quarter of January to March 2020, which was supposed to be filed by 30th of April as the original due date was, is now extended to the 15th of July. So by 15th of July, they need to file their GSTR4 for the quarter January to March 2020. Next is the due date for return filings and tax payment for regular taxpayers. Friends, as you know, the regular taxpayers were also supposed to file two important returns. One was GSTR1 and the another was GSTR3B. Let us first see GSTR1. Friends, here we have summarized the due date for the month of March to May 2020. Again, the taxpayer have been classified under two categories based on their turnover. The taxpayer who had the turnover up to 1.5 crores and who opted for quarterly filings. And the other categories, taxpayers having annual turnover of 1.5 crore plus and who opted for the monthly filings. So let us see it one by one. Friends, the taxpayer who opted for the quarterly filings. So for the quarter of January to March 2020, the due date was 30th of April, which is now extended to 30th of June. So for the quarter ending March 2020, those who have opted for the quarterly filings is now supposed to file the GSTI-1 by 30th of June 2020. Now coming to the monthly filings. For monthly filing, as you know, 11th of the next month was the due date, meaning thereby for the month of March, 11th of April was the due date. For the month of April, 11th of May was the due date. And for the month of May, 11th of June was the due date. These due dates are now extended to 30th of June for all the 3 months. That is, for March, April, and May, the taxpayer has to file their GSTI-1 on or before 30th of June 2020. With this, we come to the end of part 1. Thanks for watching the first part. Do watch the part 2 of the series to know more about the due dates of GSTR 3B, ITC, and annual returns. If you like the video, do share the video and subscribe to our channel. To get regular notifications on new videos, press the bell icon. For any queries and suggestions, do email us on consultpmcl@gmail.com. Thank you once again.